To replace one of the wedge lights in the Honda Odyssey 2008, all you need is one medium-sized flathead screwdriver. After I've taken the key out of the ignition, there's a small slot in the climate control dash inside the smaller glove box. That's the point at which you'll insert your screwdriver. What you're going to do is insert in this little slot here, twist slightly, it'll pop it up. Keep going along. Just work yourself across with your fingers to pull it out ever so lightly. And the last one up by the driver column is the hardest, but it will come off. On the back you'll have 3 connection wires, and you're going to reach up and there's a pinch iron on them or a pinch point on them. Pinch it, comes right off. There's one down on the bottom. Pinch it, it comes right out. And once again, the one over by the on and off lights is the hardest. You pinch on the far side. It will come out, but it's a little tricky. There we go. It's off. Now you're looking at the console. Show you from the right side. There are 2 lights that support the temperature gauge and this backlighting here, and they're little bigger lights. And there are 4 lights that support all of your climate control areas. To get them out, you just flip it over. Remember the area that is out, in my case it's the left hand side on the top, so flipping it over. That's going to be this light in the upper right hand corner. Flathead screwdriver just goes in there. You turn it, shake it a little bit, and it comes right out. I'm going to show you how small that is compared to a pencil. It's very small. If you drop it, it's easy to lose. Then you get your new light, put it in the slot that's missing it, just drop it in there, get in where the screwdriver goes in. Align it with the screwdriver. Screw it in. Screwed in now. And then it's just time to reassemble everything. Starting with the hardest one first, over by the column. Slide it in, press down, go over your gear shift, reach back at your other 2, and it goes. Third one. Here it goes. And then just gently press everything back into place. You'll hear it click. And the job is done.